Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make some Valentine's Day faux cupcakes. Let's get started. So here I have some treat cups that I'm going to be using, and I also have this duster that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I have a foam ball here. I'm going to put some hot glue on it and set it inside of my treat cup. And then I'm going to use the duster that I take apart, and I'm going to wrap it around the foam ball and press it in there so that it has a nice little dome shape. And I changed out the one because it seems like this other one is a little bit more tightly woven, so I wanted to use that one. I'm using this little flathead screwdriver here to help me push it in and get that dome shape that I'm needing. Hey you guys, do me a favor please. Could you please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel? It would really mean a lot to me. You have no earthly idea. By the way, you guys, this video is in collaboration with Maria over at Artsy Cupcakes. Please check the description box for all of the details. And I hope you guys will go over and visit all of the ladies that are participating in this collaboration. The description box again will have all of the details. Now let's continue working on this faux cupcake. Don't you love all that yummy goodness without the calories? I know I do. Okay, so now I have my dome shape and I'm going to start to embellish my cupcake. I pulled this heart off of a pick that I had, and I think it was purchased at Walmart. I'm not sure, you guys, so don't quote me on that. So use any type of embellishment that you have. And you guys know this vase filler is from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to add a few of those around. I don't want it too busy, but I do want a couple of little details on my cupcake. Okay, you guys, so we're going to finish up this cupcake, and I'm going to show you another one that I absolutely love. And guess what? It's also 0 calories. So in just a little bit, we're going to set this one aside, let that glue set up, and we're going to start on cupcake number 2. Okay, lovelies, here's faux cupcake number 2. We're also going to use a styrofoam ball, place a little glue, place it into our treat cup. Then we're going to take some roses that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I think I have about 6 roses on these stems. I'm going to cut them down to about 1 inch in width on the stem, and I'm going to start by placing the first rose in the center, and I'm going to go around in a circular motion with the other roses, and I'm going to have a total of 5 around and 1 in the very center, and it's going to make a very nice little faux cupcake. I hope you'll enjoy. Okay, you guys, I need to make a correction. This video is in collaboration with Maria at Artsy Cupcake and also another YouTube creator whose channel's name is Stuff Moms Have Time For. Again, it's Maria at Artsy Cupcakes and another YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is Stuff Moms Have Time For. So please make sure that you check the description box. I can't stress it enough that I will have the details, the links, and all of that goodness inside of the description box. Okay, and without further ado, here we are, the stars of the show. These yummy cupcakes that have 0 calories. Talk to you guys later. Bye.